Good afternoon. This video is a response to a friend of mine who took a home genetics test with the results of being predisposed to type 2 diabetes and is now seeking education and advice on how to proceed next. Here is my response. I know that report probably felt really scary when you opened it. If I were in your shoes, I'd have the same reaction. But when a genetics test says you're predisposed to type 2 diabetes, it doesn't mean you have diabetes, and it doesn't mean you're destined to get it. It just means your genetics may put you at a higher risk compared to someone else. From a medical standpoint, being predisposed means your body may be more likely to develop insulin resistance over time. Your genes influence how your body processes sugar, but they don't decide your future on their own. Your daily habits, your weight, and your overall health still play a huge role. Type 2 diabetes usually develops when the body slowly stops responding to insulin the way that it should. Insulin is the hormone that helps move sugar from your blood into your cells for energy. When that system isn't working well, your pancreas has to work harder and harder, and eventually it can't keep up, which causes blood sugar to rise. If diabetes runs in your family, that does raise your risk a bit, but it doesn't mean it's unavoidable. It just means you're someone who benefits from paying attention to it early. That's why regular checkups and simple blood tests are so helpful. They let us catch changes long before they turn into real problems. I also want to clear up something important. Diabetes isn't just about eating sugar. Things like your weight, how active you are, how well you sleep, stress, certain medications, and even muscle mass all have an effect on how your body handles insulin. So even people who eat pretty well can still have risk if those other factors are out of balance. Those home genetic tests can be helpful, but they don't tell the whole story. They look at small genetic markers, but they don't know your lab values, your medical history, or how you live day to day. So I think of them more as a heads up, not a diagnosis. If this were my report, I'd bring it to my primary care provider and get labs like an A1C or fasting glucose. That tells us what's actually happening in your body right now. And if anything looks borderline, there are really effective evidence-based lifestyle programs that can dramatically lower your chances of ever developing diabetes. So instead of seeing this as something to panic about, I'd see it as useful information. It gives you the chance to stay ahead of things and protect your health long term.